Just take the Salagrama Tirtham 3 times. 3 Uddharini Tirthams. Uddharini means a small teaspoon of the Tirtham you have to take. Take inside. Don't throw it away. Take it inside. So the tongue will become purified by the energy charged in the water. Salagrama energy charged in the holy waters. What is this holy waters? All of you know puja, people who do the puja, they have a small container with full of water, regular water, clean water. And they put some small tulasi stem in that. Whenever we put the tulasi stem in the water, any bacteria never going to live in that waters because of the power of the tulasi is the antibacterial properties in tulasi. So the fresh tulasi stem immediately kill all the bacteria in the very clean and fresh water, if anything is remained there. And also we used cloves powder, cardamom powder, saffron, cooking camphor, all of these other very divine things, we add the powders in that. These powders are like a medicinal powders, including the tulasi, and then we invoking in those waters the Vedic mantras, Rigvedo, Yajurvedo, Samavedo, Hyatharvanaha. I am requesting let Rigvedam have to enter into this holy water. Yajurvedam have to enter into the water. Atharvana Vedam have to enter into the water. And Samavedam, that is the highest pitch of Radhantara Samam. Lot of Sama mantras are there. All the mantras have to enter into the water. Angaischa Sahita Sarve Kalasambu Samasritaha. Not only the 4 Vedas and all the Angas and Upangas, and so Niruktam, Vyakaranam, Shiksha, and all the things have also entered into the holy waters. Make the water very holy. Why? This holy water we want to do the Abhishekam to the Salagrama to give health, purity and inner beauty to the human life. So for the purification, external purification, mental purification, inner beauty comes by doing the puja, Abhishekam to the Salagrama. So that's why here Gangecha, Yamunecha, Saraswati, Godavari, Narmade, Sindhu, Kaveri, Jalesmin, Sannidhin Kuru. They are expecting in these mantras beautifully, Ganga, please come, Kaveri, Godavari, Narmada, Sindhu, all the river mothers have to come. Wherever you are sitting in the world, wherever any corner of the world, you are mentally praying Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Sindhu, Kaveri, Godavari, Tungabhadra, all the river mothers have to be come and give your divine presence in this little pot, which contains some small water there. With these powders and everything, it is a scented water, divine water. And then you are praying not only that. So you are invoking all the divine consciousness and all the river mothers in the entire world. All the river mothers. Mother is a river. So you have so many mothers, no? But river is also a divine mother. Without river, there is no life. When you go to the Rigvedam, we have the Nadi Suktam in the beginning of the Rigvedam. River mother was respected like a divine mother in the ancient time in the Rigvedam. Very beautiful Nadi Suktam. How to use river mother in our daily life. We must not wash the clothes and we must not make any pollution in the river mothers, and we have to love her, we have to talk with her, we respect her, we have to do the puja. Beautiful things. Today what happened in our modern world? We ruined all the river mothers. We have to take a oath. I must not do any harm to the river mother. I have to bring back river mother. I have to pray. So in this beautiful Abhishekam time, in the small part, we are invoking all the river mothers in the entire universe. Wherever there is river mother, let all the mothers have to give your physical presence in this small part. Then what happened, no? If you have the inner vision, definitely you are able to see with your inner vision. Ganga mother comes and enter into the small Tirtham part. Yamuna river, Godavari river, Tungabhadra river, Kaveri, Sindhu, all river mothers enter into the, you heard the sound of river mothers enter into the small part. Why we are calling all these things? Mama Upata Duritakshayadvara. There are so many pains in my life. There are so many clouds in the life. There are so many challenges in the life. I am not able to handle all these things, so Divine Mothers. So you are here with your divine presence. You have to heal my karma load. I want to do the puja for God because I want to put some little effort by myself. So everybody have to put little effort. 1 foot they have to go to God. God will come thousands of foot to you and bless you. If you never put any effort, how can you get anything also, no? So that's why here, let Mama Upata Samasta Duritakshayadvara. I have a lot of duritas, means lot of problems, lot of so many challenges in my life. I want to delete all the things with the grace of the Salagrama Puja. So that's why the Tirtham will become charged again with the 3 times of Gayatri Mantram. I cannot say Gayatri Mantram loudly right now. Gayatri Mantram is so sacred. So if you know Gayatri Mantram and place your ring finger on the Tirtham, mentally chant all these things and then invoking the river mothers and Vedams and everything, Ashtadasa Puranas, Ashtadasa Upapuranas and Itihasas, Mahabharatam and also Ramayanam, you have to put everything, all the presences are there, and finally make the Tirtham holy Tirtham with the Gayatri Mantra. Then you have to use the Tirtham for the Abhishekam. Abhishekam is very simple. Chant Narayana Ashtakshari Mantram, 8 seed letters of Narayana Mantram, Sri Rama Mantram, Sri Krishna Mantram, what all the Vishnu mantras you like, you have to do that. If you know Purusha Suktam, do it. If you don't know, it's okay. Make it so simple. Have some tulasi, offer to God. Offer a fruit to God. A glass of milk you have to offer to God. Give some harati. Pray in front of that salagrama. Then your heart will become so pure. What you are touching, no, you are not touching the salagrama. You touch directly Vishnu feet. Vishnu feet. It's not the salagrama, it is not some black stone, and it's not that. That colors enter into your hands. That radiance enter into your body. So much karma will be destroyed by the darshan of salagrama. So think about the salagrama. Salagrama is the greatest protection, not only for you, for the entire family. Everybody get the protection. If mother cooks in the family, only one mother cook for all the family people, everybody eat, no? Similarly, if somebody do the puja in the home, the benefit comes to all the people. Very beautiful. This is the nature law. Nature law is so sweet. If one person in the home, dad or somebody do the puja to the salagram, and he have to give the tirtham to everybody, sprinkle some drops of tirtham on their head, there is no place of heaviness. There is no place of depression. Today, our modern world is suffering with the biggest problem, depression. Young children depression, girls depression, boys depression, elder people depression, educated people depression. Everybody was suffering. Wherever you go, you heard this word depression. When you have the salagrama tirtham sprinkled on our head and drink this water, and this is the assurance we have in the beautiful slokas. Salagrama tirtham, there is no equal tirtham like the salagrama tirtham. What it means, if you go to Ganga river, take holy dips in Ganga river, some thousands of times, you never get that much purification. What it is, the slokas mentioned, Ganga is purified the human life like anything. No river is not equal to Ganga river. But that Ganga, if in front of this Salagrama water is more powerful than the Ganga river water. Not only the Ganga river water, all the holy river waters are one side. Salagrama water is one side. Abhishekam Salagrama water. Salagrama water is more powerful than the all holy river waters in the world. We cannot say it is equal to these all the river waters. It is more and more powerful than the all the holy river waters. Lot of children have this question: where we have to get the darshan of Salagrama? Where is Salagrama? How can we get the darshan? Yes, we have Salagramas. We have in Bangalore a small ashram. It's called the Ramanhalli, Sri Ramanhalli, Rama's village. Appropriate place for Rama's village. We have the Salagramas. We built a small temple for a stone temple. So it took 5-6 years onwards. That stone temple, we have to chisel the stone and bring the stone polished with the hands only, not with any machinery. So it took a lot of time for that. In the Salagramas, all the Salagramas are going to be installed there for the darshan of the entire world. Because everybody have to have the darshan of the 5,000 Salagramas. One Salagrama is going to grant us moksha. Moksha is not easy word to speak about moksha. So one Salagrama darshan is grant us moksha. If we got the darshan of 5,000 Salagramas in Ramanhalli, definitely imagine the power of the Salagramas, the radiance of the Salagramas. So this temple is going to come very soon. I welcome all the children all over the world for this beautiful inauguration of the Salagrama temple. This is not for my sake. This is your temple. Everybody temple. Every individual temple. So no caste and no greed and no continent. Anybody can come and be in your temple and have the Salagrama darshan. Relax from the loads and the loads of the all the bondages in the heart, and you have to reduce all the load from your heart. All the pains and sorrows have to be completely deleted from your mind by having the darshan of the 5,000 Salagramas in the Salagrama temple in Ramanhalli.